Once you double click on the campground document, you will see that there are two tabs at the bottom. You have a campground reviews and a campground report card. Looking at the campground reviews, this is where you can record all your information about your campground so you can come back to it. I have multiple things at the top here in yellow. The dates of stay, the resort that you're in, the location, the reason why you're there, the number of nights, the owner, which if you hover over top of this, it has a little red triangle in the corner. It shows you that you can choose your own abbreviations. I use, in this case, TT for 1,000 Trails. What my site number was, the type, which is, was it a back-end, a pull-through, a parking lot? Was it some sort of a loop, a driveway? You can record whatever you want in there. Then your site hookups. For example, full hookup, 50 amp, 30 amp water, sewer, cable, or none. Info and extras. What else did this campsite or campground have? Price per night without a discount, the entire stay cost without a discount, and what your actual cost was. Any comments to help you remember any information about this particular site, this campground? What the cell internet was like? How were the bugs there? And how would you rate it from 1 to 5? Or if you use a report card, what grade did it get? Or both? Would you stay here again? And any people that you met there. So I do have in light gray an example. From 12/20 to the 28th, we stayed at the Colorado River RV Park in Columbus, Texas. We were on vacation. We were there for 7 nights. It was owned by 1,000 Trails. We were in Site D35. It was a back end with full 50 amp. It had a fire pit, picnic table, free Wi-Fi, pool, newer mini golf, pickleball, basketball, dog park, hot tub in a room, pool, but it was cold out. $3 more per day for 50 amp and $5 for each package. That's not RV related. That gets mailed to you. Our price without the discount would have been $53. The entire stay, and it'll automatically calculate this for you, was $371. Our actual cost was $21 because we had to pay for the 50 amp. And our discount savings then, which is automatically calculated, was $350. So instead of being $371, we only paid $21. Some comments I put in here. The staff was nice. It was his best site in the park on the river. We put Leroy in an empty non-working site next to us. We had to wait an A29 pull-through without sewer for 1 night. A29 was long enough for everything. Campsite was gravel. It was very big, wide because there was nobody next to us. Good view of the river, nice bike riding, and we had to use our satellite dome due to the trees blocking a rooftop antenna. As far as the cell internet, the park Wi-Fi was good when you're parked by the pool, but weak at D35. But it works very slow. Our mobile hotspot was good. For bugs, there were ant mounts everywhere, but we didn't have any problem. We did spray, and there were no mosquitoes. Gave it a rating of 4 out of 5, or got a B on our report card. Will we stay again? Yes, and some people that we met there as well. So you start recording your information below row 6, and as you put your information in here, you'll see there's some numbers over here, the $0 signs. Those will calculate for you automatically. If you have the need to unlock this spreadsheet for any reason, you can go to the top where it says Review, click on Review, hit Unprotect Sheet, type in the password, Watts on Wheels, hit OK, and then you will be able to make any changes you want. Try to be careful of the formulas, and if you want to, you can actually eliminate this example that I have in here just by going over here to number 5, doing a right click on that, and then saying delete. Then I can reprotect the sheet, just going back up to Review, hitting Protect Sheet, and typing in Watts on Wheels, enter, and you have to put it in twice and hit OK or enter, and then you'll be locked again. Keeping in mind, at that point, you can change your password to anything you'd like. If you happen to find any errors, have any suggestions for improvements, need some further assistance, you can email me at 2wattsonwheels@gmail.com, and I'll see if I can help you out. Once again, thanks for purchasing our spreadsheets, and I hope they help you out.